all the latest updates, subscribe to News9.
It is the fastest. British engineers have smashed the world record for the fastest internet speed, clocking a massive 178 terabytes, which is equivalent to 178,000 gigabytes per second. The speed is around a fifth faster than the previous record, which was set by a team of researchers in Japan. The speed is enough to download 22 million high-definition photographs or the entire Netflix library of movies and TV series in under half a minute. The technology developed by the researchers at the University College of London has said that the current speed is double the previous record. The current internet technology developed by us is double the capacity of any system currently deployed in the world. The top speed recorded by the British scientists is 17,800 times faster than the fastest connection available to consumers. The research team has said that it hopes for the availability of faster and low-cost internet for netizens. Internet traffic has increased exponentially over the last 10 years. This whole growth in data demand is related to the cost per bit going down. The development of new technologies is crucial to maintaining this trend towards lower costs. The feat was achieved by transmitting data through a much wider range of colors of light than is typically used in an optical fiber broadband. The entire storage capacity of YouTube, which is thought to be around 4 lakh terabytes, would take just 37 minutes to download. If the technology is connected to an individual's broadband, it will be powerful enough to download more than 220 4K quality movies in a second. It would take just 20 seconds to download the entire library of Netflix, which is believed to take about 3,600 terabytes of space. The UCL has said that the system can be deployed using the existing infrastructure by simply upgrading the parts. The benefit of the system is that it can be deployed on existing infrastructure by simply upgrading the parts of the network. However, this is not the first time people have attempted to boost internet speeds. On 25th July, the US Energy Department announced that it is planning to build a quantum internet which uses entangled particles to almost instantly transmit data across a fiber optic network. The Energy Department had said that the prototype of a quantum network will be completed within 10 years. The proposed network will be able to utilize the entangled particles to transmit data instantly and has been prototyped by a research team at Argonne National Lab in Chicago. In February this year, a group of scientists from the Department of Energy in Lemont, Illinois and the Chicago University entangled protons across the quantum loop, which is 52 miles long. The scientists were successful in enabling the lengthiest land-based quantum network in the US. However, scientists faced a challenge. Before the dream of a quantum network becomes a reality, scientists have to invent new technologies to harness the black box of quantum mechanics. This work entails defining and building entirely new fields of study, and with them, new frontiers for technological applications that can improve the quality of life for many around the world and support the long-term competitiveness of our city, state, and nation. While the new data speed feels alluring, for now, people have to stick to their current limited broadband internet speed.